How to join a Telegram group. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can join a Telegram group. So joining a Telegram group is really simple, okay? All you're going to need to do is you're going to need a link or a place where you're going to get those links. So the best place is Telegram's very own Telegram-group website, where you can find different Telegram channels, bots, and groups. So over here, there's different channels for cryptocurrency, software hackers, studies, general, music. So let's say I'm going to go one for the music channel. Okay, I'm going to go into the music channel, and then you can go into any of these channels that you can see. So Song Machine, you have Project Music. Okay, this is a group that you can join. So, there's different types of things. So let's say I'm going to go with this one, drum and bass. It's called drum and bass. It's a group. So just go over here and click on join group, and it will redirect you to your Telegram. And over here you can see that you get the option to join the group. So just click on it, and look at that. There you have easily joined a Telegram group. So that is how you're going to join Telegram groups. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.